Guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Kiara here. I am back in the building and I am back with another video for you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing some products that was sent to me by the company ORIRE. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing the name right. If not, here's the name right here. I will leave it right here. So this company is a Christian-based company that makes lots of body care products for your body, and it's all natural. It is like nothing in it that's harmful. It's perfect for your body. So they make body butters, face masks, body oils, and such. I keep looking over here at the package over here. So they sent me a lot of goodies. So in total, they sent me 5 goodies. I cannot find my body oil one because my kids probably got it somewhere around this house, but I do have pictures and I do have footage of me using it. I gotta find it. Like, I know my youngest one probably got it somewhere, but yeah. So first they sent me this turmeric and oats face mask and face scrub. This is all natural. This is vegan, organic, and cruelty free and toxin free. Perfect if you have sensitive skin, you have skin that has acne. This right here is perfect for your gentle skin. So how to use this: mix 1 teaspoon of scrub with 1 teaspoon of water into a small dish and mix it up, and then apply to your face and leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. So my skin, after using this face mask, my face felt like a baby's bottom. It felt so smooth and soft. Words cannot explain how soft this made my face feel. Like when you first apply it to your face, it does feel like very cool. The oats in this mask like literally activate and have your face feeling so moisturized, like as soon as it hit your face. So I've been using this mask for about a week now, and I kid you not, like all my dark spots that I have on my face literally vanished within that week span. I can tell the improvement by the second time I used it. I could tell my skin was getting improved, and the dark spot was like literally fading away, like that. Okay, like this mask right here is my go-to mask. When the water activates this mask, it gets so moisturizing and so creamy. This mask is perfect for if you have dry skin, if you have eczema prone skin. This mask helps exfoliate while moisturizing at the same time. It also helps clean your face. Like, it literally cleans your face without making it feel stripped. It cleans, moisturizes, exfoliate. Like, this is my hands down favorite mask. So next, they also sent me this eczema cream. This is a natural whipped body cream, and it's also vegan, organic, toxin free, and the ingredients are shea, mango, cocoa butter, carrot oil, vitamin E oil, and I can't pronounce that one, oil, and essential oils. The best results: use daily and apply a generous amount to damp skin. And it looks like this. Okay, so I've been using this body butter on my son's skin, on his legs, because he has really bad eczema. I tried lotions, I tried Vaseline, and it still wasn't cutting it. So I've been using this all week on my son's legs. His legs has improved so good. Like, at first his legs were like so patchy and dry. This right here is after I put lotion on his legs and Vaseline, and his legs literally soaked it up by the end of the day, and his legs look like that. Like, literally look like this. I've been applying this right after bath time, and I apply this to his legs, his arms. I can tell that it's moisturizing because it's so penetrating. It literally soaks into your skin. It's not like a greasy feeling, because I try other whipped butters and it feels so greasy, but this right here has a lot of penetrating butters in it, I can tell. And when I apply it, it just literally soak into my skin. I just love how it feels. It feels so smooth and so soft. And here's how it looks inside the container. it looks like this. It is so creamy and rich. These butters come in all different scents. They have many scents on their website. I will leave their website down below. If you suffer from eczema, dry skin, cracking skin, I do recommend these body butters. You will love it. They're moisturizing, penetrating, and yeah. So they also sent me another body butter, a whipped body butter, and this is in the flavor vanilla bean, and it smells so good. I love how vanilla smells. It smells so good. I want to just eat it. It just smells like icing. I just love it. I love how this smells. This is also a rich, creamy, penetrating body butter. It's exactly the same as the eczema one, I think. I've been loving this one on my feet. I love how it smells, like all over my body. I love smelling sweet. And this right here, I just love it. I love putting it on my body when I got the shower, bathtub. I just love how this one feels. It smells so good, like so good, okay? So they also sent me this hair oil right here, and it looks like this. So this hair oil claims to grow your hair, strengthen your hair, and nourish your hair, and moisturize your hair. So I've been using this on my box braids all week and applying it to my scalp. I love the fact that it has a dropper. It's easier to apply. I part my hair and then put it right there inside the part area. This oil have been helping my hair to stop itching, because my scalp been itching lately in these box braids. It's almost time to take these down. I had them up for almost a month now. I have been applying this growth oil to my hair, to my hair and scalp. I put some in my hands and I kind of drag it down my braids, keep my hair moisturized and making sure my braids stay moisturized and shiny and healthy to keep it from itching and flaking and whatnot. So some ingredients in this oil is coconut oil, got aloe vera. I love aloe vera, everything. And hemp seed oil, tea tree oil, essential oil. So as you can see, it has a lot of penetrating, highly moisturizing oils. I can tell because my scalp like literally stops itching like when I apply this to my hair. So lastly, they also sent me a body oil. As you guys know, I don't have it with me, but I do have clips of it because I used it right after I used the turmeric mask. So I applied a few drops to it, then I applied it to my face, and I loved it so much. So that's all that I have for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave all their products down below and their website down below. I do have a coupon code. I forgot about that. I have a coupon code. I will put it right here, my coupon code, whatever. And to get 15% off, I will leave it down below in the description box as well if you guys are interested. So I will catch y'all in my next video. Subscribe to my channel. It is that fat red button that's down below that says subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Deuces.